My name is Dimitri Dumontier, and I'm at Cold Spring Herbal Lab for 2 years now. And my research focus on understanding what are the mechanisms that allow a postnatal brain to develop and be able to integrate all the external world. We receive tons of inputs from the external world, and the job of the postnatal brain is to learn to integrate all those different information. From a sort of free-wired, naive brain, you have a lot of dynamic mechanisms that happen during the postnatal development. And my job is to identify some of them and, coupled with the genetic background of the team, try to really understand the mechanisms behind those postnatal maturation steps. So what I like with Scientifica product is the ability to have two-edge stage to record, and I really like the way they move. You can choose between different modes to have the fast or the smooth approach of the cell, and that's fundamental for patch clamp recordings. Here, the setup is a fantastic toolbox. It offers a lot of possibilities. Like, for instance, let's say I want to record a cell from the cortex, and I want to optogenetically stimulate one of its cortical efferents. And at the same time, I want to electrically stimulate input from the thalamus. I can do that. And on top of that, I can add different pharmacological cocktail to try to identify what type of receptors are at play. So yeah, you can do a complex set of experiments with a single setup. And you don't have to change. You have everything in place. So this setup offers a lot of possibility. And for an experimenter, it's key, because in IFIS you always have a new hypothesis, a paper that just come out and describing a new current, a new connection, and with this setup from Scientifica, you can try all your crazy idea very fast. My daily experiment to do this project is to do patch clamp recordings from brain slices, and I'm using the Scientifica setup to record electrical activity from single neurons. As you can see here, I would choose a cell from brain slices, and here I can electrically evoke synaptic current from these specific cells. And my job is to record those type of current and understand how they mature during postnatal development. Scientifica equipment helped me to achieve this goal because it's a formidable toolbox. You can go for patch clamp recording, double patch clamp recording, electrical stimulation, optogenetical stimulation, apply pharmacology, and everything at the same time. So the possibilities are huge, and that's very helpful to try to understand maturation mechanisms and also how circuits work. What I like when communicating with Scientifica about development, fixing issues, I'm talking with scientists. I'm talking with scientists that know what their products are used for and what I'm doing. When I talk with Anu, she knows and she helps other people to set up their IFIS rig, tracking the noise, how to implement the perfusion system. So you're really talking with people that know what you are trying to do. They know what experiments you are trying to do.